Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and disable and enable adaptive brightness in these settings again. So let's open up the settings app. Here we're gonna scroll down until we see the display. Now in the display we have the auto adaptive brightness. This is the automatic brightness. This is too bright for a video, so I cannot enable it. But as you guys can see, all you really need to do is to disable it and enable it again. It will definitely work. So of course I am not going to use it now because I want you guys to see something on the screen. Now what are we going to do next is we're going to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera, and I got the microfiber cloth right here. Now let's clean it like that. And the cleaning is done. Now everything should work perfectly fine. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over and restart the phone to refresh the sensors if it's still not working. So press the power button. Now we're going to refresh our tablet and a phone in one. We're going to tap on reboot, and now it is restarting. So as you guys can see, soon we should see the Lenovo logo appearing, and that's basically what are we doing here. So now we are waiting for the logo to pop up, and it is restarting now. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, wait for the tablet to turn everything back on, and then what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and open up the settings app, and then we're gonna wait for the Wi-Fi to turn on, to select the network. We're gonna scroll down and go to About Tablet. Here we're gonna click on System Update, and we wanna make sure that we update our software so we are on the latest version. As you guys can see right now, it is checking for updates, and soon we should get our results if we are on the latest version. So I do have the latest version, but if you guys don't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version of the software so you don't have any auto glitches running around on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.